Dear students, now in this video I will discuss very short questions regarding stanzas. Now this is the first stanza that starts from he stalks and end in his quiet rage. This stanza will be given in your paper. On the basis of this stanza some questions will be asked. How the questions will be asked and how you will answer. Now the question. Name the poet and the poem of these lines. This is the first question from this stanza. The name of the poet is Legil Norris. The name of the poet is Legil Norris and the poem name is A Tiger in the Zoo. Describe the appearance of tiger. The tiger has clear stripes all over the body and he is walking from one corner of the cage to another. Why is this tiger moving angrily in the cage? This tiger, which is imprisoned, which is locked in the cage of the zoo, is moving angrily in the cage because his freedom has been taken away from him. He is locked in the cage of the zoo and that's why he is angry and he is moving angrily from one corner of the cage to another. Now stanza second stanza is he should be lurking and up to where plum deer pass. From this stanza will be given in your question paper and regarding this stanza the questions will be asked like this. Where should he be lurking? Answer. He should be lurking in the shadow of trees. He should be lurking in the shadow of trees. Next question. What should he be sliding through? Answer. He should be sliding through long grasses. Why should he lurk in the grass? He should lurk in the grass in search of his food. He knows it well that plump deer, fat deer will come to drink water in the river and he will attack upon them, kill them and he will arrange his food. So he should lurk in the long grass to attack upon the deer which will come to drink water from the river. Now the third stanza. Third stanza is he should be snarling and up to terrorizing the village. This stanza will be given in the paper. Now the questions will be. Where should he be roaring around? Answer will be he should be roaring around the houses which are situated at the edge of the forest, which are situated at the bank of the forest. Why does this tiger roar there? This tiger roars there to frighten the people who are living at the edge of the forest because this tiger is symbol of terror. Next question. How does this tiger frighten people around the village? This tiger frightens people around the village by showing his poisonous teeth and dangerous claws to the people. Once again, this tiger frightens the people around the village by roaring, showing his poisonous teeth and dangerous claws. Claws means dangerous nails. Fourth stanza. Fourth is this. He is locked in the concrete cell and ignoring visitors. The questions are. Where is the tiger locked in? The tiger is locked in cage or the tiger is locked in concrete cell. Concrete cell means here cage. What is the mood of the tiger and why? The tiger is angry. He is moving angrily from one corner of the cage to another because his freedom has been snatched out from him. He is arrested from the forest and imprisoned in the cage. So, the mood of the tiger is very angry. Why is he stalking in the cage? He is stalking in the cage because he is angry and he is not satisfied to his condition in which he is living.